Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the True North Swimming Academy at Lapalang under the CM Elevate program, praising the centre's design, infrastructure and the dedication of its team. He noted that the project demonstrated what could be achieved with passion and commitment. The Chief Minister highlighted the government's push to build a strong entrepreneurial ecosystem, sharing that 2,840 projects had been approved under the CM Elevate scheme, with Rs 146 crore disbursed so far. He added that the state aims to support 20,000 entrepreneurs in the next few years with a budget of over Rs 500 crore. The Chief Minister also encouraged youth to embrace entrepreneurship despite the risks and underscored the importance of linking sports with economic opportunities. He expressed hope that the academy would help produce medal-winning swimmers for the 2027 National Games. The academy, which received Rs 1 crore, the highest support under the scheme, also includes a gym with a primary focus on swimming. The facility is staffed by trained and certified instructors.
When I entered this place, I almost forgot that I'm in Shillong. And the kind of quality, the kind of importance and focus on details, the quality of the infrastructure, and what really made me stand up and listen was the passion of the team that is running and started this project. And I think this perfect combination and the results that we see in front of us, I think is a great example of what we can achieve if we put our heart and soul into what we believe. And I really want to congratulate the team of True North. I think true to the word or the name of the company, True North, and I'm guessing North means the top. So it's really a top class institute and a fitness center. So I congratulate Gary and congratulate the entire team for all the efforts they have put in. And I think is correctly mentioned by Gary that you will be transforming lives from this place. And therefore, there's a huge responsibility and expectation. And the difficult part starts now. Because now you will be shaping, the future of the young sportspersons, the young swimmers. And I think that's a big responsibility that you have. So when I was telling you about the small details, these are the details that I talk about. These are small things, but it explains and it shows how much thought has gone into making this entire place what it is today. So therefore, keep always believing in yourself. And our young swimmers are here, and I'm sure on the other side, never get demotivated. And we have a beautiful opportunity now. I don't think in the past so many youngsters must have longed for an infrastructure like this to be able to become swimmers, but they never got that opportunity. I think you are very lucky today to be able to get an opportunity and infrastructure like this. So please make very good use of it, and as I said, come out as winners in the future.